All right, well, this is Brand Clean, Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. And as you can see, we got some areas to do. There's where the mat used to be. The whole floor is like this. This floor has not been cleaned in a long time. I think the lady said about 4 or 5 years. So we're gonna do our best we can to get this up. I told her already, we're not gonna be able to bring it back to that original color. There's no way, it's impossible. It's not, I mean, just neglect and walking over, tracking it. It's not gonna get it back to the original, but we're definitely gonna brighten it up here and get it taken care of. As you can see, we're spraying down that pre-spray right now. I'm multiplying the dirt, going ahead and breaking this down, disintegrating. Just getting a nice, good, solid spray on there. And we're doing the whole room same way. Make sure this stays nice and wet. And then we're gonna start using, as you can see, we're using the Galaxy Ziegler pads. This is white. You can see the color of it now. So it's definitely doing its job. All right, so here we are going to go over some stands here. Things is the area, like I said, I told this is not going to come up. I mean, it's just been neglected way too long. It says it's got lighter in color, but it hasn't. It's not coming up at all. There's no way to correct that. It has to be replaced at that point, because it's to be able to color match. Or the carpet has to be dyed. We're using a very strong high pH cleaner. It has an acidic acid of 12. It really disintegrates and breaks down the dirt. All right, so these carpets are all finished. And you're like, wow, what did he do, right? Well, wrong. We did our job and we did everything corrected. This is what it looks like when you do not keep up with carpet maintenance. Now, I guarantee anybody or somebody is saying this, say, why didn't you use steam or heat? Well, because these are glued down carpet tiles. As you can see, there's a line right here. All right. These are glued down. There's a line here. All right. There's a thin line here, outlining the carpet. Now, you use hot water, steam. It goes through that, up underneath that, heats up the glue. Then you have a loose tile. Then you have moisture underneath. And then from that moisture buildup and condensation, you got mold and mildew. Then your employees are getting sick. Then you're getting sick, and then it smells. Then you have an odor problem. But to avoid this from happening, you get the carpets done every 3 months, every quarter, when you have a business and you have high traffic. I mean, this is a warehouse. I mean, they do fabrications and stuff. All that dirt and sediment on the cement is getting tracked right up in here. Okay. So that's why I'm showing you this video, because even though I'm not happy, I'm not satisfied, but this is the best results. This is how it's going to come out to be. There's nothing else you can do. Nothing else you can do but dye the carpet. When I say dye it, I'm actually talking about changing the color and hiding the dirt. But this is a prime example why it's important to get these done every quarter. It avoids all of this. Now it has to be replaced. So I'll give you an example of the pads we used. There's the pads. They're white when we start. All right, and we used 2 of those pads. There's still one on the buffer itself there. So we used 2 different pads. All right, stay tuned for the next cleaning.